The MLA of 19th South Shillong constituency and also BJP Minister of the Government of Meghalaya, Sanbor Shulai, had visited Negrim's Hospital, Shillong on the 7th of December 2022 to meet victims of the recent Mukro firing incident, E. Samayang and C. Nartyang, and extend financial support for treatment of the two patients. The MLA of the South Shillong constituency, while speaking to media persons, informed that soon he will be meeting the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, to request him to extend the same kind of financial support to the injured victims as has been done for the other 5 who had passed away after being fired upon by the Assam police on the 22nd of November 2022.
Urun jungo iki te nang tu per ngilaya le ben cha Assam betaka dengan kes le kenu yu cuma sta juga Assam beri kerana betaka ne ke isu no betaka itu kicing tawa ki belabu da kasinong seng malang bat muyum ke parti BJP ru na bu lang te kidon sing ki programs tingi wan no betaka singi no ba u video bodolong ni atu singi be sepo mukro be le inspection beli jengo itu la kibala kelat no ya kibahi macam tu kibali ajera bisa te la pun dorong basenong bagi ni kibasa sana gidi peduk ba tenda kaliang jungi ru la sokia tengyo por mtasi bangini awan ajera te plai I kumtu abangi kili bo pli tu we u tu boro arngut kidi ginong rep ki sa kidi bedung but kajing yo juga baret dah banyak kelim tan ya ki jingdon kun boro arut kini ki bawa mensau ba ki barang sya sumar ki don kun mandrung ki im jing im ko bakru te ki bopli ru to da jing rap jong ki inna kali government dan ki riusimet ki balang boper wa wan ya rap susne ki seng balang ki riusimet te ngi da kali jungi ru ya wan panaje rap empat don nor kacing ino tak di pemensau empat don nor kacing permenakan no ken aika financial assistant tengala syam idradi la syai ng second chief minister banyak kineru badiban mang ya ka financial support nomor kepadang ka jing ka treatment ya ki kadang jengai ba sebenarnya ya plastic surgery bagian sa ka bam ka di jingon kami miscellaneous expenses in don tengah saya akan perlu chief minister ba nagaliang government benar apa berorang di penyo ya ka jingrap bisa